Hi guys. Hello with our brand new fault solution video. The working principles of all smartwatches are the same. Regardless of the brand and model of your watch, I would be very happy if you write your questions and thoughts in the comments. The brand of our watch can be AppleWatch, Halo, Mi Band, Mi, Honor, Huawei, Amazfit or other brands and replica products. This is a valid repair for all. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done.
In this video, we will talk about a problem that many watch users face or may encounter. We are trying to charge our watch from the USB output of our computer as usual, and the result is unsuccessful on the first try, as you can see. I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends. Our devices may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple. Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up.
Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and questions about all electronic devices in the comments, I am waiting to answer your problem immediately.
Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up.
If this video doesn't help you fix your watch, watch our Step 2 and Step 3 videos. I look forward to your questions in the comments.
Now let's try turning on and charging our watch with a 1000 meters amp adapter. Unfortunately, this attempt failed, but we will not give up. Now we are trying it with our 5V 2A and 5V 6A 30W output adapter belonging to our Oppo phone, and we thought it would be based on our previous attempts, and we shot this video for you.
We tried to charge it from the computer's USB port, then we tried it with the 1000 mA adapter and it still didn't work. It worked when we tried it with quick charge.
Instead of charging from the computer USB output, we will use a high-amp phone adapter to shock our battery. It is not a very recommended thing, but I would like to try it instead of throwing my watch in the trash. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. I took this video as the second step for our viewers who could not get results from this method. Our friends who did not get results again, write in the comments, I can help.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.